Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really easy and delicious Chipotle Lime Chicken Wings. They are really easy to make. They are perfect for this 4th of July, so I hope you can give them a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you'll also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, we're going to combine the whole can of Chipotle peppers with the soy sauce and the lime juice. To this, we will also add in the water. Then season this with the chicken flavor bouillon seasoning, and now we're going to mash everything together until combined. If you prefer, you can place all the ingredients in the blender and blend them until you get a soft sauce. Now we're going to cut each chicken wing into parts. You're going to cut right in between the drumette and the middle part. And also remember to remove any excess skin or fat, and just keep on doing this until you have all the wings cut in two. After you have them all cut, now we're going to add in the wings into the bowl with the chipotle sauce mixture. Make sure all the chicken wings are well coated with the sauce. And now we're going to marinate the wings in this sauce for at least 1 hour. If you have more time, feel free to marinate them for a longer time. Overnight is always better. After at least 1 hour, now we can cook the chicken wings. In a large saucepan or skillet, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And once the oil is hot, now we're going to cook the chicken wings. Only the chicken wings, do not add in the sauce, but reserve the sauce for later because we're going to use it. So we're going to brown the chicken wings until they are golden brown on all sides. This will take about 10 minutes in total, and we're going to be turning them every 2 or 3 minutes so they can get nice and golden brown on all sides. So this is how the wings look like after 10 minutes. They are nice and brown on all sides. Now into the saucepan we will also add in the sauce, the same sauce in which we marinated the wings. So we're going to add in the sauce, then give it a stir so the wings will get well coated with the sauce. Then cover the saucepan, and now we're going to cook this on medium heat for 10 minutes or until the sauce is boiling. After 10 minutes, the sauce should be boiling. Now we're going to remove the lid from the saucepan, and we'll continue to cook the wings for another 10 more minutes or until the sauce has evaporated. And this is how it looks after 10 more minutes. As you can see, the sauce is evaporated. Now the wings are ready. Now we're going to season them with a little bit more of lime juice. And that's about it. Now you can serve them. And I'm going to serve them with some carrots and celery. And I'm going to also serve them with my favorite sauce, which is ranch. And that's about it. They are super delicious. I really recommend them. Enjoy. To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.